The second intervention will be made by Agustí Anglada.
First of all, thank you very much. I would like to thank the panel and the people from the foundation for their invitation. I will do my presentation. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Okay, I had been told to prepare this speech in English. I will read it in English, but if there's any question, I can answer in Catalan. And there will be interpretation.
Good morning. My name is Agustí Anglada. I'm technical manager from Dream Medi Ambient. Dream Medi Ambient is a company based in Catalonia, which works in the environmental area, specializing in erosion control and in reclamation and in restoration habitats. We have worked a lot in reclamation and restoration mines systems, mainly in mines in the north of Catalonia, with different kinds of soils, with many problems in them, with also trying to get many solutions with these kinds of polluted soils. We would like to introduce to you a new project that we think about, based on the plant's capacities for retaining, for absorbing, and for mobilizing chemical contaminants elements which are in our habitat. A project that includes the biomimetics to helping to solve the global public health problem. A project that wants to be a base for developing new biomimetic techniques that are going to help us to achieve the final goal, to live in cities less polluted, greener and healthier. We call this project Green Healthy, a biomimetic approach to the atmospheric decontamination cities. Nowadays, many big cities in the world have, in more or less proportion, some environmental pollution problems. In the first world countries, though it's important, it isn't the same as the second world countries. These last ones, which are increasing their PAB, not GP in English, every year in high percentages, with a lot of population. Many of buildings in them, and almost no control of their smokes that they are producing, industries, cars, heating, etc., have all them a big pollution problem. In these countries, this lack of control and excessive pollution has become now a big health problem, increasing pulmonary and hair disease, cancers, etc., and of course increasing health expenses. It's clear. The terrible conclusion is that money increasing contamination pollution, increasing expenses in healthy. That's okay. It's okay. Okay. So the atmospheric pollution cities, or how to decrease the atmospheric pollution cities. The atmospheric pollution cities is not due a single cause. We know, and everybody knows that. Many factors appear in this global problem, so we have to fight in several areas for solving it. Reducing smoke emissions, using unleaded gasolines and electric cars, increasing renewable energies, etc., etc., and of course, increasing green areas in the cities. We know that many cities in the most contaminated areas and in the most contaminated countries are the more aged, old, historical neighborhoods with narrow streets, buildings, old buildings, few green areas, where the contamination goes in and it's so difficult to go out. And these areas have the big problem that they don't have enough space for increase the green areas in them. We know that many botanical species have the ability to absorb some contaminant elements. We know because we worked with them, which are in the atmosphere, and fix them in their green areas, leaves, in vacuoles. Other ones can take off the contaminant elements from the atmosphere and fix them in their roots. And also we know that some plants can take particles from the air and fix them in the leaf or absorb them. We want to work with them. The project wants to introduce the green and of course the health in the most contaminated neighborhoods. We'll introduce green areas in places that until now have been possible, and we will improve the health in them. This kind of plant that appear here in the TV or in the light are some ones that they can absorb many contaminant elements and put them, fix them, absorb them in their leaves or in the roots or in something and other parts of the plant. So we want to find plant species with the ability to improve their quality. We'll select the best one and we will improve them in this goal. We'll study the behavior of different plants in these contaminated areas and their potential to clean the air from contaminated elements and particles. We hope to reduce the atmospheric pollution from these areas using different kinds of plants and setting them in roof, in walls, etc. We have to study many kinds of plants, hanging or not, big rods, small rods, big leaves, small leaves, with many kinds of leaf and forms which grow fast, with easy maintenance, with live in these contaminated areas and which live, and we have the ability to absorb or retain contaminant elements. Also, for this project we need to try to find some large structural planters for holding these plants with easy construction systems, minimum maintenance, and with automatic irrigation systemation and fertilization systems. With this project, we want to achieve the improvement of the quality of the life of these cities, to avoid the heart and pulmonary disease and cancer case increase, and to reduce them. And thank you very much.